Hi guys. Well, feels good to say this, but welcome back to another Mike's Visions. It's been a while. I've been dealing with some stuff. You know, my mom, she was really sick and she had cancer and everything like that, and I took a little bit of a break away from making Mike's Visions, be with my mom as much as I possibly could, and sadly, the cancer won. So she's in a better place though, and the pain is over. So that's really good. And now I'm getting back to freaking making these videos and annoying you guys all with these Mike's Vision videos. What have we been up to? A lot. Got the bike back together. I will show you guys some clips of this last weekend run at Wicks Lake. I've done some things to the mini bike. I put a green torque converter spring. First, most BWX. If you guys haven't watched his videos on YouTube, check him out. I'm constantly watching his videos. The guy knows everything about mini bikes, down to the specs. It's awesome. I know I'm a fan of his, and I was commenting on him and everything, and he always said, "I'm just a regular guy, Mike. I know you're just a regular guy, but you're cool as hell." So, yeah, BWX, check him out. I get a lot of things from him. But, well, what have I been up to? The biggest thing I've been up to is, check this out. Huh? Guess what we got for the mini bike? Front suspension. We're moving our game up, guys. Have you guys ever ordered anything from Coleman before? So, Coleman didn't have this kit already pre-assembled. I had to piece it together. Whenever you order from Coleman's website, do not make the same mistake I did. I would order from them, and the part would say, like the freaking steering axle bolt, and it's a 1. So how many do you want to order? So it would say like these guys right here. And which was funny is I ordered 2 black ones, and they gave me a black and a gray. But oh well. How many do you want? So if you it says 2. But if you put 1, they're only going to send you just 1. They're not going to send you both. Same with these freaking rams. It says that there's 2 rams. How many do you want? Quantity 1? If you put 1, I was thinking if I put 1, I'm going to get the set. 1 set. No. You only get 1 part. So, remember that. I ordered a lot of single 1 parts, thinking I was getting 2, but I only got 1. So anyways, so we got the front, got the axle, bigger axle and everything like that we need. Watch this off BWX, check them out. I did, here, I'll take this off real quick so I can show you guys exactly what happened, or what would have happened. I went on Amazon, and I was like, cool, I need to get a handlebar. And some friends of mine, they got these styled handlebars. And these are like bigger handlebars, and you get more grip and everything like that, and a little bit more control on the trail, which is cool. Well, let me show you. So here's what we would have been working with, right? And you'd be like, hey, well, that's not going to work. Well, I got these risers for it. And when these risers came in, I was like, yeah, no problem. Uh-oh. What I was going to have to do was I was going to have to drill into here, put these guys on, fit this through that hole, and then this riser Sorry about this, guys. This riser would have sat right down in there, like so, right? Oh, no problem. I don't want to drill into this. I didn't want to do that. No. So what did I do? Went to BWX's site. Thank you. He had these in his product description. So I ordered these. And it came with the hardware and everything like that. Check this out. Way better. I mean, it'd work, but, you know, you'd have issues. That sits right down in there. So, that's what route I'm going. And then when I got the new handlebar coming too, I'm going with a different style. I ain't going with this one, but yeah, pretty cool, huh? This was a pretty good deal. Got this off Amazon. Came with the handlebars. Came with grips. Came with this guy. And it would match, you know, and then I got the risers extra. And, you know, it all would have matched the theme of the bike and everything like that. So, but anyways, if you are going to do some cutting, I would suggest you guys get some of this. Okay? Good stuff for freaking cutting into metal and stuff like that. You're not going to dull up your blade. It's going to make a nice clean cut and everything like that. So, pretty quick, well, guys, we'll be making a video of putting a suspension on the Coleman CT200 BEAST. Oh, and got another fun thing too. Don't know if I'm going to throw her on yet or not, but it finally came in the mail. What's this? Another Chuny? Yes. It's a fake. But, what? Whoa, you already got one of these on there. Well, that one, the one that's currently on there is a 22 millimeter. This is a 27 or 28 millimeter. Can't remember which one this is. But yeah, bigger carb. Don't know yet. Maybe I'll put this one on the other motor or the other engine, excuse me. Don't know. We'll figure that out. Well, let's show you guys the old bike. There she is. Still don't have got to put that back fender back on. We did go out and we went riding, and I found that piece of a trophy. Hasn't fallen off yet, so keep it on there. But yeah, guys, 67 miles an hour. I got this bad boy up to 7,700 RPMs out of the 49cc engine. I feel like I'm forgetting something to show you guys. One more new thing that I got. I don't know. Well, I'll figure it out. Yeah. I will say this. Okay. There's been a lot of debate between my friends and I about this freaking bike now. Yes, it goes 67 miles an hour with me on it. Somebody smaller than me, who knows, might even go faster. I put that bigger carburetor on it, I might go faster. I don't know. There's a couple other little tricks that I might maybe do. 67 miles an hour on a mini bike is fast, and no suspension and everything like that. It's really fast and scary fast. So, I don't know. I don't know if I'll ever get it up that fast again. I don't know if I'll ever do anything else to it to make it go quicker. Does the Stage 2 kit, is it going this fast because the Stage 2 kit? I don't know. Before I put the Stage 2 kit on it, and before the green torque spring that I put into it, with this Stage 1 Governor engine, It was going 44.7 miles an hour with me on it. So, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm honestly not a believer of running out and going and buying a stage 2 kit. So, I'm trying to get my friend to freaking take his governor off and kind of go from there. See if it works. Oh yeah, I was going to show you something else. Check this out. This is what happens when you put your clutch cover back on your torque converter and that bolt rattles off. What will end up happening is your cover will sit down onto your clutch and wear a hole. Not good. Alright guys, well, I just wanted to make a quick, fast video for you guys tonight. Let you guys know I'm still around. I'm still going to be making videos and stuff like that. I'm back at it. The other thing I wanted to show you really quick, I'm sorry. Permanex Ultra Slick Engine Assembly Lube. Get this for your bikes. Put this on your go-karts or whatever. Put this on your chain. I put this on my chain. Dude, it's freaking awesome. Real sticky. I like it. Anybody who's thinking about, hey, I need to get some oil lube or chain lube or something, this is what Mike's Vision's using. Good stuff. So, all right, guys. Well, you know what? Until the next video, you guys, stay safe, have fun. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't. I have a horrible habit of not telling you guys to like and subscribe. So, yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and enjoy these little videos that I'm going to be sharing with you with this about Wicks Lake and this thing going real fast. All right, guys, have a good night.
One, give her a spin. See, tell me if you tell a difference. Right now, he's like, oh yeah. Dude, we did a little race on the way back. He pulled up next to me. I was like, hey, go, go. And I was, oh yeah.
Should I put this in the back, Dad?
Yeah, go and put this in the back. Try this down the road real quick, okay?
Should I do it?
Just throw it right back there. Faster? Faster. Yeah. Yeah. His will do over 50.
Over 50?
Yeah. When are you getting yours, Mason?
Oh, he spent the money.
Oh, he spent all the money?
Well, he might get it.
Yeah? Oh, here it comes.
Hey, Mommy.
Flintstone brakes. Oh. Well.
You want to take a guess?
52.
52. I'm saying 47.3.
That's still 47.3? All right.
Yeah.
I like how right here's just road.
Yeah, it's crazy, huh? Still pretty good.
Really started opening.
GoPro on. got up to 67.
67.
I got up to 48. So he went really fast. So he just took off. Woo! Good job, Mike. And you say that stage 2 kit doesn't matter.
Try the middle of that seat. Stay to the right.
Oh, that one? I never make it up that one. Uh-oh. Do you see the targets?
Huh?
The cast iron pans hanging in that tree, the targets on them. See the targets in that tree? They're cast iron pans.
Oh yeah. Yeah, somebody's been shooting.
Yeah, you can see them hanging there.
Yeah. Well,
You can see the pans hanging from that tree. Those black.
He's really been shooting right here too.
Yeah. It's a clever idea actually. With this, this might just be normal pans. Are you gonna go up the middle?
Normal pants. Why would somebody put their pants up there?
The pans are cooking pans.
Oh.
Yeah, Mason, they shoot on them.
All right, your daddy's gonna do the hill climb. Good luck, Mike. You got it. We're gonna get a run at it. So we've never made it up the middle before. Oh. We get about halfway and then the tire just digs in and just kind of stops you. So. Yeah. Oh, he's gonna do it. No. Oh, you're almost there, Mike.
Imagine it just starts to go backwards.
Hopefully it doesn't go backwards. You might have to, though.
Oh, wait. What if he gets off and then... Oh, we shouldn't went the way there. Oh, gosh. That mini bike's right there.
What?
Maybe you need more people.
Yeah, a little bit more speed going up? Yeah.
There's a lot of stickers on there.
What's that, buddy?
He has a lot of stickers on his helmet.
He does have a lot of stickers on his helmet.
Oh, he actually made it up.
Ooh. Almost, you were right there. Next time,